Hey guys, welcome to Victory Greens. My name is Miguel, and today I just want to tell you a little bit about our fire pits. We actually have a really huge inventory at Victory Greens with a lot of colors and a lot of different shapes and sizes to help you build your own paradise in your backyard. This one right here that I'm sitting next to is a Sun Valley fire pit. One of the great things about this one is one of our top-selling fire pits. It also comes in 4 different colors: the charcoal, positera, terracotta, and sandstone. Another wonderful thing about this fire pit specifically is that it comes with the caps as well. As you can see here, it has a very nice natural stone looking texture to it, and it's very easy to install. You can actually come in, pick one up, and we'll teach you how to set it up really quick. Hey guys, here's another one of my all-time favorite fire pits. This one is the Stone Wall 2 Fire Pit Kit. One thing I really love about this one as well is that it does also come with the caps, and it comes in 2 colors, the Positano and the Venice. This one that you see right here is the Positano. One thing I really love about this fire pit is it is majestic. It is very huge. Where you're not using it as a fire pit, you can also double it as a seating area. Hey guys, this is another awesome fire pit. This one right here is the Lakeland Grand Fire Pit Kit. It comes in some wonderful colors. This one comes in Torino and Positano. This one specifically comes with the fire pit insert, but it does not come with caps. They are optional and you can buy them separately. Another great thing about this fire pit is that you can also buy additional accessories for it, whether it's the grill, a cover, or even a fire screen. Here's the other one of the Lakeland fire pits. This one is actually the compact. It's very similar to the Grand Fire Pit that I just showed you. The only difference is this one has a smaller outer perimeter, which makes it a little bit easier to fit it into tighter spaces. Also comes in the same colors with the same availability of accessories that you can attach to it, as well as adding optional caps if you would like. Hey guys, thank you for following me. This is the 3rd of the Lakeland fire pits. As you can see, it's a different shape than all the other ones, which makes it very unique. But it also comes in the same colors of Positano and Torino. This one does not come with caps. There are a few options out here that we have that you can use as a cap. For example, this one right here is a natural stone that we carry, which also gives it a nice look to it. But they're not required. Hey friends, so thank you so much for checking out our fire pits today. And just to let you know, we have lots of colors, and as you see, in lots of different shapes and sizes. And just let Victory Greens help you guys start building up your paradise in your own backyards so that you can share those special moments with your family this summer. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.